Hi, welcome to AVM Math Hub. Today I am discussing about the topic polynomials. Polynomials is made up of two terms, namely poly. Poly means many and nominal means terms. Finally, polynomial means many terms. A polynomial is defined as an expression which is composed of variables, constants and exponents that are combined using the mathematical operations such as addition, multiplication, subtraction, and division. Based on the number of terms present in the expression, it is classified as monomial, binomial, and trinomial. Here, some examples of constants, variables, and exponents. So, first, constants. Constants means 1, 2, 3, etc. And variables. Variables means x, y, z, a, b, c, like this. And exponents. Exponents means x power 5, etc. These are the examples. And one more example, suppose the expression is in the form of 2x square plus 3y plus 2. Here we observe that here three terms, 2x square is one term and 3y is another term and 2 is another term. Here the expression contains three terms with variables, constants and exponents. These three are three terms and coefficients. Here 2 is the coefficient, 3 is the coefficient. అంటే వేరియబుల్స్ పక్కన ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో సపోజ్ ఎక్స్ ఉంది, ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ఉంది, ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ పక్కన ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ద కోఎఫిషియంట్. వై పక్కన 3 ఉంది కాబట్టి 3 ఈజ్ ఆల్సో కోఎఫిషియంట్. అండ్ ఎక్స్ అండ్ వై, హియర్ ఎక్స్ అండ్ వై ఆర్ వేరియబుల్స్. 2 ఈజ్ ద కాన్స్టెంట్. అండ్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్, హియర్ స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ద exponent. Square is the exponent. This is the example for the given polynomial. So once again, x and y are constant, x and y are variables, 2 and 3 are coefficients. Here a single 2 is the constant and the power 2 is called the exponent. So, and notation. Notation, polynomial notation. The polynomial function is denoted by p of x, where x represents the variable. Suppose we can put a is the variable. If the variable is denoted by a, then the function will be p of a. If the variable is denoted by b, the function will be p of b. So, therefore, p of x, that is equal to, we can take any equation, x square minus 5x plus 11. So, this is the notation of the polynomial. Okay, and next. Notation and the degree. Degree of the polynomial. The highest power of a variable in a polynomial expression is the degree of the polynomial. Same example, x square minus 5x plus 11. Here x square, the highest power of a variable in a polynomial expression. So 2 is the highest power. So the degree of the polynomial is 2. Degree, that is equal to 2, the highest power of a variable in a polynomial expression. So, an example, one more example, suppose the constant or a zero polynomial. Suppose 4 is one term, the degree of the 4 is 0. Degree of 4 is equal to 0. So why? Because that is the constant. Because that is the constant. Suppose x cube, the degree of the term. The degree of the term is 3, highest power, that is equal to 3. And suppose another variable, suppose a linear polynomial. Linear polynomial means suppose 3x plus 1. This is the linear equation. The linear polynomial, the degree is 1. Degree is equal to 1. Why? Because x power 1. This is the linear. 1 unte linear antaramata. And the next one is quadratic. Quadratic. Quadratic polynomial. For example, suppose we can take any expression 10x square plus 5x plus 1. That is equal to degree is 2. Quadratic. And the next one is cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. So example 6x cube plus 4x square plus 3x plus 1. So highest powers reduce అవుతా వస్తాయి. మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే 6x cube 4x square 3x power 1 and 1 into x power 0. Anything power 0 is equal to 1. So 1 into 1, 1. Here the degree is equal to 3. Why? Because highest power is 3. And by quadratic polynomial. By quadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial means 6x power 4 plus 4x cube plus 2x square plus 2x plus 1. Biquadratic polynomials, the highest power is 4. Therefore, degree is equal to 4. So, this is the examples of degree. Okay. And the next terms. The terms. Okay, and the next page. See, what is terms? The several parts of a polynomial separated by plus or minus operations. Terms. It is separated by plus or minus operations are called terms of the expression. For example, see 3x square. This is one term separated by plus or minus. So you can put minus or plus, whatever it may be. Minus 6x plus 2. So this is the polynomial equation separated by the symbols plus and the minus. So symbols means operations. So plus and the minus are called terms of the expression. And the next types of polynomials. How many types of the polynomials? There are the types of polynomials based on their terms. So first, zero polynomial. Zero polynomial. Zero polynomial means a zero polynomial is a polynomial that has only one term, which is 0. Okay, that is only one term which is 0. That is called the zero polynomial. And the next one is constant polynomial. Constant polynomial. Constant polynomial is a polynomial that is also a polynomial that has only one term which is a constant. For example, minus 6. This is the constant. Suppose another example 4. This is also a constant. Suppose 2 by 3. This is the constant. Suppose minus 4 by 3 and etc. These all are called constant terms. Constant terms. So zero polynomial means it is a polynomial which has only 0. That is called the zero polynomial. And one is constant polynomial. It is also a polynomial which is contain only a single constant, that is a -6, 4, 2 by 3, like this. Okay. And the next one, next monomial. Mono means single. Monomial. Monomial, an expression with only one term is referred to as a monomial. Mono means solo. Solo term in an expression. Solo term. Solo term. Just the meaning of the monomial. For example, 5x, this is the single. 5x and 3, there is a single, and 6x power 5, and etc. These all are called the monomial. And one more example, -3x into y. This is the only, this is the contains the multiplication and the literals and constants and variables combined with the multiplication. So this is the single term. -3xy is the single term. And the next definition is binomial. Binomial. Binomial means it is also a polynomial expression with with has only two terms. Bi means two terms is referred to as a binomial. Binomial can also be defined as the difference or sum of two or more monomials. Difference of sum of two or more monomials. Okay. For example, by means two terms. For example, 8x cube plus 3x square plus 2x. Oh, sorry. For example, 5x plus 3. So ఈ 3 ఉండకూడదు ఎందుకంటే పవర్ 3 అయిపోతుంది, క్యూబిక్ అయిపోద్ది. We can take any example. 3x binomial means two terms, 3x plus 4. 3x is one term and 4 is another term. So this is called the binomial. Otherwise, the 3x is one term and 4 is the another term. And 5y minus 6. 5y minus 6 is the two terms. So that is called the binomial. And the next one is, and one more example, ఏం రాసుకోవచ్చు, suppose xy square plus xy అనుకోండి. xy square is the single term plus and xy is the another term. That is called the two terms. Xy is a single term and xy square is a single term. So with sum of కదా కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ అని పెట్టుకోండి. ఓకేనా. The next page. And next, trinomial. Trinomial means an expression that has exactly three terms is called a trinomials. For example, 8x cube plus 3x square plus 2x. So 8x cube was one term and second term, and this is the third term. And one more example, 6x power 4 plus 2x square plus x. So this is also called as a trinomial. And the next definition, polynomial. Polynomial means an expression that has more than three terms. More than three terms. More than three terms is called a polynomial. Few examples. Suppose 8x power 4 plus 3x square plus 2x plus 7. And one more example, 6x power 4 plus 2x square plus x plus 8 or 7, whatever it may be. So this is called the polynomial. Polynomial means more than two terms. More than three terms are called a polynomial. So this is the another type, polynomial. Okay. అండ్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ పాలినామియల్స్ బేస్డ్ ఆఫ్ ద డిగ్రీ చూద్దాం. డిగ్రీ. And suppose this is the one, more than three terms are called a polynomial. So here the degree of the polynomial is 4. The degree means highest power. Here the degree of the polynomial is 4. Here also 4. Okay. The constant polynomial function. So degree చూస్తే examples a x power 0, a into x power 0, that is equal to a into 1, that is equal to a. Why? Because anything power 0 is equal to 1, so that is that value is 1. Yeah. And the next one is solving polynomials. One example, small problems. Suppose solve the equation, solve 3x minus 7 is equal to 0. Here move the constant term to the other side of the equation. Suppose 3x is equal to, here the move the constant term to the other side of the equation. So minus 7 అటు వెళ్ళిపోతే ఎంత అవుతుంది? ప్లస్ 7 అవుతుంది. అప్పుడు x is equal to 7 divided by 3. So that is equal to 7 divided by 3. So the value is అది. Okay. And dividing the both sides చేస్తే and so suppose, so and one more example, suppose 3x is equal to 7 ఉంది అనుకుందాం. దీని మీ ఇష్టం, డివైడింగ్ బై 3, డివైడింగ్ బోత్ సైడ్ బై 3 వేసుకోవచ్చు, ఎందుకని మనకి x వాల్యూ కావాలి కాబట్టి బై 3 అండ్ బై 3. సో ఈ 3 క్యాన్సిల్. రైట్ సైడ్కి అలా తీసుకువెళ్ళాను కాబట్టి ఓకే. బట్ మీరు ఇక్కడ 3 అంటే x తో పాటు 3 ఉంది కాబట్టి డివైడింగ్ బై 3 ఆన్ బోత్ సైడ్. x తో పాటు 5 ఉంది అనుకోండి, సపోజ్ 5x ఉంది అనుకోండి, డివైడింగ్ బై 5 ఆన్ బోత్ సైడ్. సో దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు x ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 7 by 3. ఓకే. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ క్వాడ్రాటిక్ పాలినామియల్ factors. Second problem, solve x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 5. Factorizing the polynomial we have. So ఇక్కడ చూడండి, how to factorize the given polynomial equation. సో ఇక్కడ x square ఉంది, లాస్ట్ లో 6 ఉంది. x square పక్కన ఎంత ఉంది మనకి? 1 ఉంది. given x square minus 5x plus 6. So x square coefficient is 1. ఈ లాస్ట్ లో, ఈ ఫస్ట్ లో ఉన్న కోఎఫిషియంట్ అండ్ లాస్ట్ లో ఉన్న కోఎఫిషియంట్, వీళ్ళిద్దరిని మల్టిప్లై చేద్దాం. 1 into 6. సో 6 కి ఫ్యాక్టర్స్. ప్లీజ్ రైట్ ద ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఆఫ్ 6. 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are 6. సో వీటిల్లో ఈ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ లో ఏది తీసుకోవాలో మనం అబ్జర్వ్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ నాకు -5 రావాలి. మిడిల్ టర్మ్ ఎంత? మిడిల్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ -5x రావాలి. -5 అంటే 2 3 ఎంత? 5. కాబట్టి మైనస్ రావాలి, కాబట్టి 2 + 3 అన్న వేసుకోవచ్చు. సో ఇక్కడ నాకు మైనస్ ఉంది కాబట్టి -2 అండ్ -3 రాసుకోవచ్చు, లేదా -3 -2 రాసుకోవచ్చు. మీ ఇష్టం, ఎలాగన్నా రాసుకోవచ్చు అనమాట. ఓకేనా? దట్ ఇంప్లైస్ x square minus 2x minus 3x. So minus 2x minus 3x, that is equal to minus 5x, that is equal to 0. And that implies ఈ రెండిట్లోని, ఈ 2 terms లోంచి x కామన్ కనుక తీస్తే అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? x -2 -3 కామన్, ఈ రెండు టర్మ్స్ లో నుంచి 3 కామన్ గా ఉంది కదా, -3 కామన్ తీస్తే x -2 is equal to 0. So here one factor and this is another factor. These two are the same. కాబట్టి మీరు ఏం చేస్తారంటే ఒక టర్మ్ కింద రాయండి, x -2 అండ్ ఇక్కడ ఏదైతే కామన్ తీసారో, అండ్ హియర్ ఆల్సో వన్ ఆఫ్ ద కామన్ టర్మ్, దట్ ఈస్ కంబైన్ చేసేయండి, x -3, that is equal to 0. And therefore x -2 is equal to 0, or x minus 3 is equal to 0. And x is equal to 2, moving constant term to the other side. Here also moving constant other side. So x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 2. These two are the solutions of the given equation. Solutions means ఈ 2 తీసుకెళ్ళి ఈ equation లో substitute చేస్తే 0 వస్తుంది. And also substitute 3 in the given expression that gives 0. So అలా 0 గనక అయితే these two are the solutions of the given expressions. Okay, and next polynomial operations. Polynomial operations. Polynomial operations means there are 4 main polynomial operations which are addition of polynomials, addition of polynomials, okay, and subtraction of polynomials, subtraction of polynomials, and the multiplication of polynomials, multiplication, and division, and division of polynomial. These are the types of the operations of the polynomials. There are 4 polynomial operations: addition of polynomials, some multiplication of polynomials, and the subtraction of polynomials, and the division of polynomials. Okay, next page. And next, first, addition of polynomials. Addition means find the sum of 2 polynomials. Sum of 2 polynomial. Sum means addition. So addition anna sum aina okate. Sum of 2 polynomials. So first given, suppose 5x cube plus 3x square y plus 4xy minus 6y square. This is one polynomial. And anything, we can take anything. 3x square plus 7x square y minus 2xy plus 4xy square minus 5. This is one polynomial. This is another polynomials. So find the sum of 2 polynomials. Sum means plus. So ఈ రెండిటికి ప్లస్ పెట్టండి. 5x cube plus 3x square y plus 4xy minus 6y square bracket plus 3x square plus 7x square y minus 2xy 4xy square minus 5. That implies 5x cube plus 3x square y plus the first polynomial ki before positive term ఉంది కాబట్టి సేమ్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ గా అలా రాసేస్తున్నాను. 6y square. And next second polynomial ki before plus sign ఉంది. So we can multiply with the plus sign the total polynomial. Plus into 3x square plus 3x square plus into plus 7x square y plus into minus 2xy plus into plus 4xy square plus into minus 5. So separating the terms, like terms, 5x cube terms of like terms means x cube term. First highest x cube ekkundi, only single term kabatti 5x cube. And y square terms 5x cube అయిపోయింది. And x square y terms ఎక్కడ ఉన్నాయి చూడండి. x square y terms plus 3x square y 7x square y plus 7 plus 3 10x square y. So like terms అనమాట. సేమ్ టర్మ్స్ ఉంటే ఇలాగ మల్టిప్లై ఎడిషన్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. అండ్ xy టర్మ్స్ ఇవ్వండి, minus 2xy 4xy. సో plus 2xy. సో అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ xy square terms plus 4xy square term ఇవి కూడా అయిపోయినాయి. అండ్ x square terms ఏమున్నాయి, ఓన్లీ 3x square plus 3x square. అండ్ y square terms minus 6y square and constant terms -5, that is equal to 0. So this is called the addition of polynomial. మనం కావాలంటే కామన్ కూడా తీసుకోవచ్చు. ఇది కామన్ తీసుకోవచ్చు. సో సారీ ఇది ఎక్స్ వై స్క్వేర్ కదా, ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ వై కదా. సో ఇలా ఎక్స్ వై ఎక్స్లు కామన్ తీసుకోవచ్చు. అలాగే టూ టర్మ్ తీసుకుంటే వైలు కామన్ తీసుకోవచ్చు. ఎక్స్ వై కామన్ ఉందనుకోండి, ఎక్స్ వై కూడా మనం కామన్ తీసుకోవచ్చు. సో అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చి subtraction. Subtraction of polynomials. Subtraction of polynomials. So we can take any two terms, 3x square plus 4x minus 5. This is one polynomial. And 9x square minus 2x plus 4. These two are the polynomial. Subtraction. 3x square plus 4x minus 5. So for the first polynomial minus 9x square minus 2x plus 4. That implies subtraction. So 3x square plus 4x minus 5. So minus into 9 minus 9x square minus into minus plus 2x minus into plus minus 4 is equal to 0. That implies, so x square term 3x square minus 9x square, minus 9 is the big value, so minus 6x square, so plus 4x plus 2x plus 6x minus 5 and minus 4 minus 9, that is equal to 0. So this is the subtraction of polynomials and multiplication of polynomials. Multiplication of polynomials. So we can take two terms, 6x minus 3y. This is the one value. So multiplication, put symbol into, and another polynomial 2x plus 5y. We can multiply these two polynomials. So first ఏం చేస్తానంటే 6x తో ఈ బ్రాకెట్ లో ఉన్న టూ టర్మ్స్ ని మల్టిప్లై చేయండి. 6x into 2x. 6 2 jar 12, x into x square. So 6x తో ఈ టర్మ్ అయిపోయింది. ప్లస్ ఈ దే సేమ్ 6x తో 5 అయింది. 6 5 jar 30, x into y x y. And similarly minus 3y తో ఈ రెండింటిని మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. minus 3 into 2 minus 6xy minus into plus minus 3 5s are 15 y into y square. So all are different కాదు కదా. 12x square 30 and minus 6xy same xy terms 30 లో నుంచి 6 పోతే 24 xy terms minus 15y square term. So this is the multiplication of polynomials. And division of polynomials. Division of polynomials. Division of polynomials means we can divide any two. Suppose 3x plus y plus 2x minus y. Division of two polynomials. ఇలా division of two polynomials చేయాలి అంటే ఏం చేయాలి ఇక్కడ అంటే ఇక్కడ చూడండి డినామినేటర్ లో 2x మైనస్ వై ఉంది. ఆ 2x మైనస్ వై అయితే రేషనలైజేషన్ చేయాలి. అంటే డివిజన్ ఆఫ్ టూ పాలినామియల్స్ మే ఆర్ మే నాట్ రిజల్ట్ ఇన్ ఏ పాలినామియల్. రావచ్చు రాకపోవచ్చు అనమాట. ఓకేనా. సో ఇక్కడ ఏం చేయాలంటే ఇఫ్ ఏ పాలినామియల్ హ్యాస్ మోర్ దాన్ వన్ టర్మ్ వి యూజ్ లాంగ్ టర్మ్ డివిజన్ మెథడ్ కూడా మనం చేసుకోవచ్చు అనమాట. ఓకేనా. లాంగ్ టర్మ్ డివిజన్ తర్వాత చూద్దాం మనం. అండ్ తర్వాత and next zeros of the polynomial. The very important topic, zeros of zeros of polynomials. So how to find the value of the polynomial? The value of the polynomial obtained by putting a particular value of the variable. అంటే ఒక ఒక ఈక్వేషన్, ఒక పాలినామల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఉంటుంది. అందులో మీరు పర్టికులర్ వాల్యూ పెడితే దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ద జీరో అవ్వాలన్నమాట. అంటే ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ ఏ పాలినామియల్ అప్టైన్డ్ బై పుట్టింగ్ ఏ పర్టికులర్ వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ ద వేరియబుల్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ ద పాలినామియల్. సపోజ్ ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ ద p of x is the polynomial కదా, p of x at x is equal to some value. A value name అనుకుందాం. Suppose say some a is denoted by p of x place లో a పెడితే p of a అవుతుంది. సో సపోజ్ ఎనీథింగ్ తీసుకోండి, p of x is equal to 4x cube minus 2x square plus 2x minus 2. Put x is equal to 1 పెట్టామనుకోండి. Put x is equal to 1 అంటే p of 1. 4 1 cube minus 2 x square plus minus 2. 4 1 cube means 1. 4 into 1 minus 2. 1 square means 1. So minus 2 plus 2 minus 2. ఒక minus 2 ఒక plus 2 cancel. 4 1s are 4 minus 2. That is equal to 2. So here 2 is the value of the given polynomial at x is equal to 1. Okay. ఇక్కడ చూడండి జాగ్రత్తగా, here 2 is the value of the given polynomial p of x at x is equal to 1. అలాగే put x is equal to 2. Substitute x value 2 in the given polynomial equation. ఓకేనా? సో అలాగా మీరు ఎంత ఇచ్చినా కూడా మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసుకోవాలి. 1 ఇస్తే 1, 2 ఇస్తే 2, 3 ఇస్తే 3, 4 ఇస్తే 4. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చి zeroth of the polynomial అయిపోయింది కదా. అండ్ find the value of the indicator value. Some value తీసుకుందాం ఏదో ఒకటి. Suppose p of x is equal to ఏ వాల్యూ వేద్దాము, 2x square minus 3x plus 2. p of ఈసారి 2 పెడదాం x ప్లేస్ లో. 2 into 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 2. 2 into 2 square means 4 minus 6. 3 2s are 6 plus 2. 2 4s are 8 minus 6 plus 2. 8 minus 6 means 2 plus 2. That is equal to 4. So 4 is the value of the given polynomial. And zeros of the polynomial. Okay. And suppose another example. So ఇక్కడ వరకు ఆపుదాం. This is the given example అన్నమాట. If you have any doubts, please call me or WhatsApp to my number. I will explain each and everything. My WhatsApp number is 9848683512. This is my WhatsApp number. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.